Metal roofs are durable and energy efficient, but shingles are cheaper and easier to install. Over the years, I've gotten this question many times. Should you install a metal roof or asphalt shingles? I've helped thousands of customers make the right decision for their home. And in this video, I'll help you break down the differences and help you decide. What is a metal roof? A metal roof can come in either steel, aluminum, zinc, or even copper, and they come in different gauges. The gauge is the thickness of the metal, and typically on top of the metal roof, it has a very nice coating and can come in a multitude of different colors. A metal roof can be installed on almost up to a zero pitch up to a very steep roof. Generally, metal roofs are done on roof facets, meaning a dormer, a porch. Some people are fortunate enough to do a metal roof on their entire home. What are shingles? Asphalt shingles are comprised of a couple different components. The main one is asphalt. Asphalt shingles, architectural asphalt shingles, are commonly what you see in your neighborhood, and they come in a variety of shapes and sizes. Some are as big as a doormat, and others are smaller. The smaller ones, we call these 3-tab shingles. Most of the shingles that are manufactured now have algae, lichen, and moss-resistant capabilities, with little granule and flecks that are spread throughout the entire shingle. This gives you the color of the shingle. Shingles are generally applied, they're nailed on, and we call this storm nailing. 6 nails per shingle, evenly spaced. Which type of roof lasts longer? Metal roofs, I call these a one and done. You'll never have to buy a metal roof again in your lifespan. Generally speaking, between 40 and 70 years. Shingles don't have as long of a lifespan as a metal roof. The shingle roof will last generally 30 years. Most shingle manufacturers' material will last upwards of 30 years, and depending on the warranty that we give you, you'll get a 50-year limited lifetime roof. So depending on the manufacturer of the roof, some of the shingles are impact resistant, and almost all of them are wind resistant up to 130 miles an hour. There's always different grades and levels of roofs you can get, but talk to your trusted roofing expert. Metal roofs are far more superior than an asphalt roof. A metal roof is more equipped to handle snow loads, hail, winds, and any type of impact from trees. But there is a price tag associated with that kind of sustainability. Which roof is cheaper and easier to install? A shingle roof is a lot easier to install than, let's say, a metal roof. A metal roof is a little bit more complicated, especially if your roof's a little bit more complex and cut up and have multiple roof facets. The cost associated with doing a metal roof is going to be greater than just doing an asphalt shingle roof. And the reason for that is there's more detailed and more labor and material associated with doing a metal roof than an asphalt roof. So they answer the question, a shingle roof is going to be cheaper and easier to install. Which roof is more affordable long term? Depending on what type of metal roof you have will dictate the cost associated with a repair on a metal roof. When it comes to a shingle roof, a repair on a shingle roof is far easier and going to be a little bit cheaper than a repair to a metal roof. On the other hand, an asphalt roof, you'll have to make repairs on, where a metal roof is a one and done. You'll most likely never have to buy another roof again. As far as energy efficiency goes, a metal roof is far more superior because what a metal roof is going to do is reflect the UVA and UVB rays, where a asphalt roof will hold the heat and attract the UVA and UVB rays into the material. And this could have an impact on your heating and cooling bills. Which roof looks better? It's going to be up to personal preference. When purchasing a metal roof or asphalt roof, sky's the limit. You can choose from a multitude of different colors for an asphalt roof depicted here. And when you do a metal roof, same thing applies. There's a great number of colors to choose from. You can even choose ones that look like copper that aren't. You have a little bit more flexibility in a metal roof as we can actually change the size of the panel. You can get an 8-inch panel, a 10-inch panel, 12-inch, 16-inch panel, or even bigger. At the end of the day, it all comes down to what you think is going to look best on your roof. Do you choose a metal roof or shingles? When you're making your decision on choosing a metal roof versus an asphalt roof, again, keep in mind your budget and keep in mind the lifespan that you want for the roof. And I would even think about, do you plan on staying in the home for a long time? Or maybe even think, are you giving the home to future generations? Keep all these things in mind, especially the budget. If the budget's an issue, there's financing available. And if you have any further questions, reach out to a qualified roofing contractor.